Hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you've decided to swing by my channel. My name is Claire O'Connell and I'm the beating heart behind Reno Way of Life. And basically this channel is set up for you to basically provide you with DIY and renovation tips as well as property investment tips. So my husband and I have been renovating houses for the last 10 years across the UK, the US, and now Australia. We've built a successful cash-based business renovating for profit. We've never renovated other people's houses, only our own, and we paid off all of our debt in the first 2 years. And the best part about all that is there is nothing special about us. So we are sharing all our secrets with you on this channel. So we're going to be sharing with you some DIY tips of projects that you can do in your home, investment tips on understanding the market when you're looking to purchase and sell, and then also some design tips on how to have the best floor plan, the best layout. So make sure you hit subscribe and hit like to this video, and I can't wait to see you in our next videos. Thank you so much for your support. And if you have any suggested topics that you'd like us to cover, oh, and I've almost forgot to mention, we'll also be covering tool tips as well, basically to help you build your DIY toolkit. And if you have any questions at all, or you have topics that you'd like us to cover, then please add it below in the comments.